Hi everyone, so I'm just back with a very quick video. I have these three in my shop. I've reduced them all down. I'm going to reduce any journal that I make between now and the end of December. Will have a special offer price. I'm not going to flip through these or anything, but they're all £30 or under, and I will put the links to each of them below. On each listing you will find a full video of the journal so you can see everything inside each one. If they are bought today, which is the 10th, I will ship them out today. I will get them shipped out today, so that if it's international, you should get it before Christmas, because the 10th is the last day for shipping, to guarantee a delivery before Christmas internationally. If it's the UK, we've still got a few days left. I think we've got another week if it's in the UK. So yeah. Also check out my freebies in my shop. I've put up a few freebies, and I've been making things with them, and there's a video to go with each one. Again, that will be on the listing for the freebie. You will see it at the bottom of the listing. You will see the video that you can click on and watch what I made with my freebies. So yeah, go check out, have a wander around the shop, and see if there's anything there that you like, whether it's a digital, whether it's a freebie, whether it's a journal. So yeah, so if you have any, oh, these two are Christmas journals. That one is a neutral coloured journal, and that will be the last of the Christmas journals, but I will be making Christmas projects. Kind of wish I'd started this earlier, but hey ho, there's always next year. Yeah, so have a check and see if there's anything you like, and I will be back probably tomorrow with a craft with me video, making another Christmas project. Bye for now.